Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on or enable Dialpad on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The Dialpad sound typically refers to the tones produced when you press the buttons on a phone. These buttons. These sounds, called DTMF, dual tone multi-frequency, help indicate which key are being pressed. Would you like to delve deeper into how they work in their story? Or do you want to turn this Dialpad? As you can see, my Dialpad is turned off. We can't hear the sound. To turn on this Dialpad sound on Android is so simple. Here's I'm using Xiaomi phone. You can go to your settings on your phone. You can scroll down and tap on sound and vibration settings on here. You can just scroll down. There is an option additional settings on the bottom. You can just tap on that. Here's on the system sounds sections, there is an option Dialpad tones. The toggle is inactive. You can just activate this toggle by tap on the toggle like this. Now your Dialpad sound is active. Let's try to check. Now you can hear the sound from the Dialpad. So simple, right? So that is how to turn on Dialpad sound on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!